Hey guys, it is Candy here with Crazy Eight's Life, and I have a new box today for you. It is called Paradise Delivered. This is my first time getting this box. It is supposed to be kind of a vacation themed box that is a monthly subscription that gives you organic beauty, some fashion like accessories and maybe a book, other fun items that are just supposed to kind of make you feel relaxed and refreshed and like you are ready for vacation. So I don't even know what I paid for this box, but I will put it in the video. And let's go ahead and see what is inside of here. I have no idea what to expect really, and I haven't opened it up. I think it also said maybe some snacks, so it's just kind of a variety of items. So I did get rid of my BoxyCharm subscription, so I decided to try this box out, and I've kind of enjoyed getting the boxes that have kind of a little bit of variety, not always just beauty, although I really like the skincare. But I was kind of getting overrun with makeup, so I decided to stop that and go ahead and try a different style of box that I have never heard of before. So if any of you have received this box or have heard of it, please comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. And also, if you like to watch unboxings, then go ahead and click that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and see what we've got in this box. So, this is going to be a list of all the items and the prices, and I will go over that as we are pulling the items out of the box. And the first thing that we have is this little to-go coffee cup. It says good vibes on it. It is super cute. All right, there we go. I just took that plastic wrap off so you could kind of see it. And it said it is good for hot or cold beverages. So that's super cute. And we're always looking for to-go coffee cups around here. So that will definitely get used. It's a little bit small, but that's probably more the size I should be drinking. So I will definitely use it. And the next item I have in here is this after spa makeup remover cloth, which I actually have a large size washcloth of this exact thing, and I love it. I have had it for years and I use it nonstop. Just throw it in the wash and reuse it. You don't really have to use any cleanser with it. It will take your makeup off. I know eye makeup, sometimes I still have to use like some coconut oil or some kind of cleansing balm to get that off. But for the most part, this takes a lot of your makeup off. I am very excited about that. All right, then we have, I'm betting this is a candle. It is a little candle. It says Sunset Park, and I honestly was just thinking the other day about how expensive candles are. I just love having candles around them. Anyways, a little candle, super cute. Definitely gonna use that. This is a multifunctional soap sponge with charcoal. So it says soap on the outside, sponge on the inside. So it's still even in plastic. Oh my, I'm sorry. I should have just gotten this out for you and I didn't. So this is a sponge here on this side. It's all sponge, just like a thin layer of sponge. And then all of this is your soap, and it is just a charcoal soap, which I do like using charcoal for its detoxifying purposes. So, okay, so here is where the snack comes in, and it has this Lily's peanut butter cups, dark chocolate, and I love these. I actually do get these and I keep them in my freezer for when I want a snack. So that's awesome. Lily's is a sugar-free brand. They use, well, usually, actually, I don't know if they're all sugar-free. I usually get the stevia sweetened. This says less sugar. So I don't know if it is stevia sweetened or not, but it is dark chocolate. Well, I was trying to get done before my sons got home. I did not make it, so I will be back in just a second. All right, guys, hopefully it has calmed down a little bit just to get through this video. I did realize I have not been giving you any of these prices, but I will just put the prices next to the items in the video somewhere. So maybe as I'm going forward, I might kind of say what it says about it. Anyways, so I did pull out this before my boys got home and my dogs went crazy, and it sounds like jewelry. It is a bracelet. Oh, that is so cute. It says Vertical Collective. It is just a cute little bracelet. I really like that. This bracelet retails for $54. And it is a super cute bracelet. It has the adjustable length back here. It's not the I mean, it just has loops where you can adjust it to the right length. It's not like the ones where you pull and adjust it, but it's still super, super sweet. So that'll come in handy. Okay, the next item is Perlice. I've heard this before. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Maybe Perlice. Coconut and rice nourishing sheet mask. This is a 6-pack of face masks. So that definitely will get used. It retails for $38. Love your skin with these soothing, firming, natural fiber masks infused with coconut, rice, and restorative Asian botanicals. The power blend of all natural ingredients will moisturize, fight harmful free radicals, and reduce inflammation, leaving your skin healthy, beautiful, and radiant. Effective on all skin types. So I'm really impressed so far with this box. 3 more items in this box. So the next thing we have, I'm really excited about. My sister, I believe, this is a brand, I don't know if you can see that. Let me take it out. A brand of eye cream that my sister got in a box, and she said she loves it. It is called, it's by Floor and Bee, and it is called Eyes Baby. So an anti-aging eye cream. So far, there is nothing in this box that I would not use. So there is that, and that retails for, okay guys, I'm sorry. This is not on my card, so I don't know how much it is. I'm pretty sure my sister said in her box that it was worth like $22. I don't know if it's just an extra bonus item or if it was a mistake, but it is not on this card anywhere. So I'll take it anyways. There is some mascara in here, which I always like trying different mascaras because I think there's such a difference in them. So this is the Bloom Mascara, Manna Kadar. Manna Kadar's Blue Mascara delivers an intense lengthening and volumizing effect to your lashes. Its cruelty-free formula has a built-in primer and makes sure it grabs those hard-to-reach lashes. The round tip works to ensure an easy application without leaving any clumps behind. Oh, what a neat, cute package. There's the brush. It looks nice. Looks really nice. The last item in the box is a book, sorry. It is the Positivity Kit. It says, ready, set, happy. The Positivity Kit is designed to deliver joy, comfort, and smiles whenever you need them, brimming with surprising and fun prompts that focus on the little things that make us smile. This unique journal is guaranteed to cheer up even the grumpiest person on the gloomiest day. This sounds like I could use this. I'm sure that everybody can at some time in their life, but let's see. Let's just open up a page. It says, you need to let the little things that would ordinarily bore you suddenly thrill you. Let's begin. And then on the first page, it says, write yourself a message in the sky, something that would make you smile if you saw it. And then nice little moments bottled up. These would be things that make you feel good. And then you write what those things are in these bottles. So just kind of a fun little, I don't know if I would call it a journal. I definitely think that I could see myself sitting and kind of going through and doing these things. I like to journal, so that is awesome. It's a cute book. And this retails for $18. So on the bottom down here, it says that the retail value of this box is $201. There we go. I will put in the video what I paid for this box. I do not know if there is a discount on the first box. If there is, there will be a link down in the video in the description. So make sure that you check that out. And that's it, guys. I think this is a super fun box. I definitely would love to get another one. So let me know what you guys thought and if you thought it was a good value, and just your thoughts on what kind of boxes do you guys like? What kind of boxes do you get? There are so many out there anymore. So that's it for this time, and I will see you at the next unboxing. Bye, guys.